Here's how to optimize your website so you can get more leads for your drone business. First, you have to have a lead magnet. A lead magnet is really a piece of valuable content that you can give out in exchange for someone's email or contact information. This can be an ebook or a checklist or some sort of guide that's relevant to your audience and addresses a specific pain point that they have. Next, you want to make sure that you have clear call to actions on every single page on your website. You really have to tell people what to do. CTAs guide your visitors on what you want them to do next, whether it's downloading a guide or booking a call, signing up for a newsletter or requesting a quote. Make sure that you are deliberately telling them what to do next. Your homepage really is the first online storefront. So you want to make sure you have a strong headline on the top that talks about your value proposition. Make sure you have concise wording and copy on your page, and make sure you have CTAs as well. Highlight your contact information and make sure it's easy for visitors to reach out and ask you questions. Content is key. Here you can create valuable and informative blog posts that position you as the expert in the niche that you've chosen. This not only helps people find you through Google SEO, but it also builds trust with your audience. Finally, you really need to track and test everything that you're doing. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor which pages are getting the most traffic. So use this checklist to audit your own website, and you can send me a message if you'd like for me to review yours. Your website is your most important marketing tool, so make sure it's optimized to convert visitors into clients.